Okay, hello guys, today we have a review of the new software, new firmware for the OnePlus 10 Pro, which is, alright, Wi-Fi is not showing, actually the version is C.26, which came in February 2023. I've got the European version, which is an E2213. You've got also American, Indian version, global, so I set the European one. Here you can see the baseband version, kernel version, compare with yours, but this one, C26, is the latest version based on Android 13, of course. Let's open it, Android 13. So basically, let's see what's the difference, how it looks like. I've got my OxygenOS 13, of course, my OnePlus 10T Pro 5G, which is 256 gigabytes. It has Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and 6.7 size, battery, of course, 5000 mAh, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the camera you see right here. So my version is almost top version of this phone. 256 and 12 gigabytes, so I've got even better version, which is 512 and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, so let's see what's changed, what's different. So that's what I have here. The first difference that I saw when I updated this software was the bar here, the control center. Basically now you see that you have only two big squares, actually, not even squares. But yeah, before it was 4, now it's 2, and then you have 5 small circles. And here, if you scroll down, you will have all the options available. Actually, if you click edit, you have plenty of options, but still here nothing actually was added. So it's still more or less same as before. But I think it's less convenient. Before I had Bluetooth here and could add some other option, but now only limited to 2 options. And if I need to choose Bluetooth device, I need to click this way, which is not that convenient. For Wi-Fi, it's much more convenient, let's say, yeah. Then you just click here, and yeah, and you can choose exact device. But this problem can be fixed, actually, yeah, here. If you put here Bluetooth, for example, that it become big, then you have this option available here. Alright, so let me put Bluetooth back here. Oh, I remove it actually. Let's put it back. Bluetooth, yeah. So you can move it always as you wish. Alright, so disable Bluetooth. Let's go through the left bar. You've got Google Discover as always, so also nothing special actually from this point of view. If you scroll like this, you have all these options available: wallpapers, icons, layout, transitions, and more. So let's check out the widgets. So basically the widgets are still same. You've got clock and based on your apps that you're using. So you don't have that much OnePlus widgets. It's mainly clock and weather, all the others from your app. Okay, transitions. Yeah, it's same as before. Nothing changed here. Icons, yeah, icons is really customizable in OnePlus compared to other Android or iOS devices. So you can choose the style, you can choose the shape, you can choose the rounded corners, etc. So basically many options are available. Let's click more. Basically I will skip it for now because we can do it later. If you click plus, you have this OnePlus widgets that are not available below. So you've got shelf widgets, so you can use the shelf, step tracker, weather, notes, clock, and photos. Home screen widgets, yes, that was home screen widgets that are not that much, mainly shelves. To-dos items and highlights. Alright, let's go through the settings one by one. Wi-Fi, no changes here, so I will not focus on it. Mobile network, same. Bluetooth, let's see whether some changes. I haven't checked actually before. More settings, display code extender, device volume soon visible to other devices. So basically nothing special is here. Connection and sharing, yeah, just scroll it briefly down. No changes as I see. Wallpapers and style, so we've got OnePlus wallpapers. You can create your own, you can use live and static. I think it's not that much wallpapers available and you need to download some another app to choose your preferences. For Xiaomi devices it's much better. You have built-in wallpaper app and you can select from there, which I really like. Alright, always on display, basically also not that much available, but music is here, supported app Spotify, so you can control your music from the always on screen, which is also quite nice option. Alright, let's move on. Colors. So this I really like, so I use trendy one. You can select up to a preference. You can also customize or wallpaper color picking option also available. Quick settings, nothing here, just the shape of quick settings. Fingerprint animation, yeah, it's quite many options, but it's not customizable. So if you've got those 7 actual options plus 1, so you can only select out of this, cannot download it. Edge lighting, I personally don't use it, but yeah, maybe for someone it will be convenient. 3 colors options are available. Alright, home screen and lock screen, basically you can choose layout, you can choose mode, drawer mode or standard mode, icon autofill, double tap to lock, all the functions that were available before, lock screen shortcuts, yeah, also limited edition. A double tap to wake or turn off the screen, rise to wake, so all these options are here and can be selected. Display and brightness, so you have dark mode, which was updated I think in this version. Mainly actually this version bring you some small fixing, animation, etc. Plus the Android security patch that is a new version of February 2023. Screen and color, actually yeah, it was not working correctly, especially eye comfort. It was all the time changing the color. Now it works much better I think after this update. So I put on schedule from 8 p.m. till 7 a.m. You can choose a temperature for screen color mode, so I use a bright mode or vivid mode, how they call it. So you can eliminate what you like. You have pro mode, which you can select for yourself, cinematic mode or brilliant mode. Alright, sound and vibration, I think here is no updates. Ringtone, Dolby Atmos, which is actually works quite well. The sound here is really good. Notification status bar actually still same. Only the charging, they added this option to separate here, so now I have low battery and it's changing its color, which is also quite convenient to use. Apps, so for apps I think app launch, yes, just auto launch, special app access. So basically it's more about controlling your apps and manage them, nothing special here available. Password security, yeah, fingerprint, face, I don't use Face ID here, there is no special sensor, so it works good, but any other person actually can use your photo, etc. to eliminate this protection, so don't really recommend to use it. System security, so as you see, security update is actually 5th of January, Google Play system update 1st of March. SIM lock, yeah, I've got 2 SIM cards. SIM lock I don't use it. Trusted agents, yeah, here is same. Safety and emergency, yeah, this mode they are updating following the Apple devices, which are now focused to these functions, let's say, extreme functions, emergency contact, medical info, etc. Battery, so battery power saving mode is here, optimized non charging is here, reverse wireless charging is here, wireless charging settings available, so you've got these quiet charging options that actually is not that useful, only when you are sleeping and want to charge your device without any noise. Special features, yeah, so many features from OnePlus, but they all, as I understood, in testing mode, or majority of them, so all those features are available for a long time. So just open them one by one, but seems that no updates here. Work-life balance, they see as new. I clicked on allow, I don't want to use it. So it's just like a focus mode on another devices, Android or iOS, that is available for a long time. Digital well-being, I don't use it, it's just showing the apps that you're using. Additional settings, many of them, screenshots. Actually, as I remember, yeah, this option was available before. Delete original image after editing, so I put this one, also convenient. OTG connection, if automatic turns off. System services, I don't know, intelligent services, backup and reset. Screen recording, one-handed mode, so just, yeah, some additional features. And about devices. So, alright, basically it works quite smoothly, no issues with this one. The battery life actually a bit improved. I think that on previous one I've got C.23, 22 even, so the battery life was a bit worse. So I think on the C.26 update is just mainly improvement of workability, let's say, and improvement of usability of your phone. It works well, so really recommend to update. Just to remind, this is my model, it's European version. In general, this is Chinese model, but I just flash it with European firmware. So recommend to update. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and see you next time.